Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. I'm a 50-year-old lady living in the northwest of England on the coast in a city called Liverpool, and I live with my grown-up son who's 23, and we live on a tiny budget of £800 a month. So we have to live frugally, carefully, and generally watch our pennies. So I started this channel to keep myself busy, and B, hopefully help other people with my tips and tricks. And I often share other people's tips and tricks on a Frugal Friday video. Today is Tuesday, and I call that Cheapy Tuesday because I go looking for bargains from the charity shop and from my local supermarkets. So if anyone's been watching this week, you know I've been renovating the bedroom, and as part of that I thought, oh, I'll buy this. This was only £1 in Bernardo's. And what is it? It's a plant hanger. It's one of those retro ones. So it's quite long. So I thought, well, if all else fails, I'll swap it out for another one because I've got loads of them all over the house. So if it's a bit too long, I'll swap it out. There's always a use for it because I've got plants everywhere. So I've also been to Asda and Aldi today. I had £25 to spend, and I managed to pick up some reduced items, so I'm really pleased, because a lot of frugality channels tell you to just go shopping once because it reduces the possibility of you spending money. I look at it the other way. I go shopping 2-3 times a week because it gives me more opportunity to pick up reduced items, because I think if you just keep checking, you've got more chance of bagging a bargain. I tend to go in the afternoons after 12 o'clock, but before 4 o'clock when the mums and the dads and the kiddies come piling in after school. So I think that sort of time frame between 12 and 4 is a good time to go hunting. So, right, let's get into it. So I went to Asda first and I spent £8.78, and this is what I got. I spend £70 a week on me, my son and my pets. We have a bulldog and a little black cat and a goldfish. So they're included within that £70 as well. So that's why, like today, I've bought some cat food. So this is their favourite cat food, Purina, and that was £4.98. I always buy a tub of this coleslaw every week because it's okay to eat. It's not the best, but for 50p, I think it's worth picking up. It makes a change from mayonnaise or salad cream, whatever it is you want to throw on your salad. It just makes a nice little side dish. It's just so I'm not buying things like chips all the time or eating pasta all the time. It's just something a little different, and it doesn't require cooking, especially these days because it's a bit warm at the moment in the UK. So I'm doing my best to avoid any cooking. I also picked up some grapes. They were reduced twice to 84p. They should have been 148. I picked up some vine ripened tomatoes. They were reduced as well to 49p. So they'll go in the salad as well. I picked up 2 packets of Cheapy sausage rolls, so we'll have them over the next couple of days while they're cheap. I thought I'd pick up 2 because there was about 10 packets of them there, but they were only 66p each. So I thought, oh, they're worth getting for that price, and obviously no cooking. And I picked up a pizza. I'm always looking for pizzas because you can just throw them in the grill, cook them quick so the house doesn't heat up too much and doesn't use up too much electricity. And this one was reduced to 65p. I think they're usually 129 or something. Yeah, 125 because it's got pepperoni on. So I usually cut them in half, have half one day, half the next. But because we've got the sausage rolls, I'm going to throw the pizza in the freezer. So there you go. Altogether, I spent £8.78. I had a budget of £25 to pick up some cat and dog food as well. So I went over the road to Aldi and I spent £13.63, and I was lucky enough to get some items on the Super Saver 7. and some reduced items as well. So this is what I got. I got some Belgian buns. They were reduced. Should have been reduced for 30%, but the lady made a mistake. 50%. I didn't even notice that till I got home. So I got them for half price rather than 30% off. Who doesn't love a fruity bun? Yum, yum, yum. I got some Jaffa cakes. I throw these in the fridge, and then my son takes, because there's got 2 packets in, my son will take a packet to work for a couple of days as a little snacky thing to fill his face with. Got some egg custards. I think these are a good price. They're £1.9 for 4. I usually buy Greek yoghurt because I have for breakfast half a tub with a bit of honey if I've got no fruit. But I managed to pick up some reduced strawberries. They were 30% off. They should have been £1.69, but I got 51p off. So a nice big, quite full tub, because often when you buy strawberries and raspberries, there's hardly anything in it. But these bigger ones, the 227 grams, have quite a fair few in there. So yeah, so they're worth buying because you get a few extra. So I was happy there. I got 30% off. I got a tin of sardines for my dog because it's good for her. I try to give her a tin or 2 each week because it's good for her skin and just generally overall good for her because it's high in omega-3. I picked up a big bag of mixed leaves. That's our salad, and that's 30% off. Should have been 99p. I picked up some brown onions because I ran out of onions because I've been eating cheese and onion on tortillas yesterday for lunch. So I thought, right, I need to pick up some onions today, and these are only 80p. I always pick up a bag of easy peelers. These are 89p. I think it's a great price, and you can have 1 or 2 because they're only little, but for 89p I think they're a good deal. I picked up some pink ladies on the Super Saver 6. They're usually £2.99 and they were £1.79, so £1.20 off. So I thought, oh, that's a great deal. And these are my son's favourite fruit. So he'll be happy he's got grapes and his favourite apples. So he'll be a happy bunny with them. And I often pick up these, but I'll only tend to buy them when they're reduced, 30% off, because it's mixed veggies that you're supposed to have in a stir fry. But what I do, I put them in an oven-proof dish with some chicken and pour over a sweet and sour sauce. So you've got a lovely sweet and sour sauce that doesn't require much effort. So I'll have the oven on tomorrow because I'll be cooking some other things. So I'll be making a sweet and sour with that tomorrow. And last but no means least, I picked up some ham. I only buy this about every 4 or 5 weeks. Don't buy it all the time because it's full of salt and full of sugar and all things bad. And we eat enough sugar, as you can see. So yeah, and I often give the dog and the cat a little bit as a treat because I just think, well, they're part of the family, they can have some too. Oh, and I forgot to include the sweet corn. These are on the Super Saver 6 in Aldi at the moment for 74p, but there was one there with 30% off, so I thought, oh, I'll cook them tomorrow. I love me a bit of sweet corn. So yeah, so we've got plenty of fruit, plenty of veggies, and some meaty bits, so plenty there. So I spent £8.78 in Aldi and £13.63 in Aldi and £8.78 in Asda. So I came under budget with me 25, and my son sent me £3 to get myself a couple of beers because I've been working my little guts out on the bedroom. It's not enough for Guinness, which is my favourite drink. So I got 2 bottles of ruby ale. These are £1.59 in Asda, sometimes £1.69, but they're only £1.29 in Aldi. So because my son sent me £3, I picked up a couple of them. So I'll have one with tea tonight and one with tea tomorrow as a nice treat. Lovely, in a big glass, loads of ice. And this is the main thing. I bought some lamb. I haven't had any lamb in over a year because it's too expensive. This full price, this tub, should be £6.99, but it was 30% off. I've never seen lamb reduced in Aldi apart from around Christmas and Easter time. All year round you generally don't see lamb reduced, and it's just every time you look at it you think, oh God, is it made of gold because it's so expensive. But I managed to get the 30% off, so I saved £2.10. So I had a £5 in my bank and my son sent me the £3. So it was just enough to buy the 2 beers and the lamb. So that'll be going in the oven to save electricity tomorrow. I'll be cooking that. I just thought, oh God, lovely. So I'm going to make a big dollop of mash because I love buttery mash with lamb and the sweet corn. I thought, oh, lovely, nice dinner. I know the weather's hot at the moment, but I'm thinking if I put everything in the oven all at once, it's just over and done with. And then for a few days, we haven't got to cook anything. So let me know if you've picked up any bargains. I'm always interested to know if you've been in the car booty, have you been in the charity shop, have you been to any house sales or anything like that? Have you picked up any cheapy shopping? As I say, I go between 12 and 4 in the afternoons, and I usually go 2-3 times a week because I think that's the best thing to do, is try and pick up the bargains when the shop's a little bit quieter and it's not the weekend, because I just find on a Friday night, Saturday, when I've been, there's just nothing there. It's been well picked over. So if you could please like and leave a comment so YouTube can see that you're engaging with the channel, that's a great way of helping me out, if you could be so kind. And I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.